Hello guys, so Max here. So in our previous Zoom meeting, I spoke about the fact that we will discuss how to calculate your shipping cost. Somebody was raising a concern in the WhatsApp group that the shipping cost this year on Alibaba is ridiculous. Yes, it is, but you don't have to pay for that. Like there is no way you have to do that. Look, I did a search for non-stick cooking sets, and then when you look at this one says $7.49. Shipping cost is $74. This one says that it's $17. Shipping cost is $700. It doesn't make sense. But of course, it doesn't make sense because that's not how we ship on Alibaba traditionally. This one says $28. And then you pay shipping cost of $144. It doesn't make sense. So this is where this is why like we discussed, your supplier will ask you, do you have a freight forwarder in China or do you have an agent? And then you will give them my agency's address if you want to use our agency. Okay, so that is fine. $280 per CBM is amazing. There is no minimum. You can ship 0.01 CBM and then you pay $2.8. Okay, so so you don't pay that shipping cost. You give your agency's address to your supplier and then you only pay for the products. Now I'm going to teach you how to calculate the shipping cost. It's cubic meter, CBM. When I said $280 per CBM, how do we calculate CBM? I think I may send a video of what is 1 CBM looks like, right? But most of the items you buy individually, none of them may be up to 1 CBM. No single. It's very uncommon for a single item to be up to 1 CBM. So how do you calculate your CBM? Okay, now I'm going to go to my gallery. I took some pictures especially for this. Now when you look at your carton, you will see dimensions on it or the size. When you look at this one, there is a carton for air fryer. It's 632 by 315 by 714 millimeters. Okay, so that means CBM is cubic meters. So you have to convert millimeters to meters. 1,000 millimeters make 1 meter. 100 centimeters make 1 meter. Don't worry about the maths behind it. I just want you to look at the dimensions over here. It's not cubic feet and it is not cubic kilometer. So the measurement will always be using centimeters or millimeters. So this one is millimeters. Okay, so what you have to do is multiply. If you want to do it manually, multiply these three figures, okay, and then divide by 10,000 to get the CBM. Okay, right. So or you can just ignore the multiplication and division. Go to your app store and then download CBM calculator. Okay, I already have a CBM calculator. Forgive my internet. I think I'm downloading something on my Wi-Fi, so my internet is slow. But we don't even. I didn't think I'll need internet here. So CBM calculator. Download any of them that you think the interface is nice. They all do the same job. Okay. Whether you are using Android or iPhone, just download the CBM calculator. Okay. There are a lot of them. I use this one, the third one, as you can see, it's open. So you can download them. I used this one. Open. Okay. All right. So you will come here. You have the millimeters section, the centimeter section, and the meters section. Okay. Now the item that we are looking at over here is in millimeters. So all that I have to do is plug in the figures. They are always three numbers: 632, 315, 714. 3 sets of numbers. So the first number is in millimeters. So 632. The next one is 315. Then the other one is 714. Then done. Calculate gross weight. Just enter one. Quantity, of course, is 1. Then 0.142. This is the CBM for this carton. This carton is a carton that contains 4 pieces of air fryer. So the CBM is 0.142. Okay. Now, if you want to know your shipping cost, multiply the CBM by what your shipping agency is charging. For instance, I'm charging $280 per CBM. So 0.142 times $280 is $39.76. That's it. This is how you. So when you talk to your supplier and you send your and let's say you order one carton of air fryer and your supplier sends it to my warehouse in China. When the item arrives in Ghana, this is what you're going to pay me. Okay, not the $100, $700 that you're seeing on Alibaba. Okay, so let's go to the next one. I have a couple of examples. This one is rice dispenser. Okay, so this one is in centimeters. Now my CBM calculator, there is a section advert. If you the CBMs are calculated, there is a section for centimeters, so I'll tap on the centimeters and then I'll enter the values for the carton. So 26.5 by 26.5 by 43, so 26.5 by 26.5 by 40. This is multiplication, so it is associative. You can interchange them in any way. Nothing will happen. You can bring 43 top, 26 to the bottom. It doesn't matter. So then calculate 0.03 cbm, 0.03 cbm. So when I go to my calculator, this is the weight, this is the volume. Sorry, not weight. Sorry, I said that, not weight. This is the volume or the space it will take in the container. 0.03 times 280, $8.4. So for this particular carton, it is a rotating rice dispenser. If you ship it through my agency, which charges $280 per CBM, this is what you're paying. So let's try this one too. This one is ladle set, a beautiful ladle set that we bought. 50. So the measurement. Always look at the measurement. Dimensions: 52.5 by 52.5 by 35. Okay, so you can do this. Just enter in the values. Just enter in the values. 52.5, 52.5 by what? 35. Okay, 35. 0.096. Okay, so you go to your calculator. 0.096 is your cubic meter. Okay, 0.096 is your cubic meter. Okay, now this calculator is nice. It tells you number of pieces, number of these cartons that will fit into a 20-feet container, into a 40-feet container, into 40-feet HQ. We have HC container. Okay, that's bigger. So I'm just telling you that if you want to ship from China, I'm inviting you to come and work with my company. But it's fine if you don't work with my company. Okay, okay. So 0.096. So 0.096 times $280 per CBM. This $280 is from my agency. Some agencies will have different price. Never mind. Like I said earlier, some agencies may have even 260. You can find 260. But the point is that they will tell you that you have to ship a minimum of 1 CBM. You may not be buying 1 CBM. I will let you ship even 0.01 CBM. So again, there is benefit to using mine. And for those who allow you to ship smaller, nobody beats my price. Okay, so 26.88 is for this carton. This carton contains 16 pieces of ladle set. I think let me show you silicone ladle set. I think I saw, yes, this carton contains 16 sets of this. Okay, so I know because I imported them myself. And so once you have the price 26.88, and then you know that okay, this carton contains 16 pieces divided by 16, then you get the price, the shipping cost for each of those ladle sets. The shipping cost is for each of those ladle sets. Each of those ladles is $1.68. Okay, yeah. So this is how the CBM works. If you don't understand anything, just get into my DM. I told you that the 026 number, WhatsApp me there. I check that regularly at the end of the day. 026 503 5252. Okay, 026 503 5252. So let's try the last one. Then you have cartons in your house. I took a lot of pictures, but let's try the last one. You have cartons in your house, so do some of them and then send me what you get and let me know if you got it right. So this one is also in centimeters. So let me pick the one that is clearer. So this one, I don't know this one. This one is for a customer. I just snapped it this afternoon. So 70 by 37 by 56. 70 by 37 by 56. In centimeters, so 70 by 37 by 56. This is 0.145 cbm. It's a big item, it's a big carton. So yeah, so 0.145 cbm, very big carton, bigger than the air fryer carton, which contains 4 air fryers. So 0.145 times 280. This is the $40.6. This is the shipping cost the person will be paying for this carton. Okay, now I'm saying that it is distributive, it's associative. Don't worry where you put which number, put them in any order. I can bring the 56 to the top and then bring the 70 here. It will still be the same 0.145. Then don't enter the numbers in a special order. You have 3 places, enter those 3 numbers and then tap on it and then look for cbm, volume, which is cubic meter. Okay, I think this is clear. Okay, I'm reminding you, we are going to learn how to further more on the China, how to import from Turkey, and then how to sell your products online. Okay, so it's cheap. My master class is always affordable. So contact me and then let's register for the class and then let's continue from there. Thank you and have a good day. I hope you watch it. I hope you learn it. When you have a problem, please just WhatsApp me. When you WhatsApp me, I may not answer right away because maybe I'm working or doing other things, but I will definitely answer. Whether you join my master class or not, just WhatsApp me 026 503 5252. Thank you. Bye bye.